Right, this segment is on steam generator controls. All right, this will be your on and off main power supply to the steam generators. So your power on, power off. All right, over here you're going to have your aromatherapy for your men's sauna. Push this button. It's going to activate this pump. It's going to take liquid from here, pump it into your steam that's going to your sauna itself. That'll give you your smell. It's all contained in this small area right here. You'll have to replace the bottle when the bottle becomes low. If you're not using, simply push the button. It'll go off, light goes off. Push the button, light comes on. All right, so this is your main water supply coming into your steam. It's going to run through this set of filters, through this valve right here, which controls what goes into your steam generator. It'll look back out and head for your sauna. Once every 24 hours, the system will dump itself on a purge. It'll clean the coils, it'll purge the excess out, and then refill the system, keeping fresh water in it for fresh steam. This button right here is your steam for your sauna. This is a warm-up button. You hit this, it's going to activate your steam generator. It'll warm it up, that way you'll be ready to use when you go into the sauna itself. This system duplicates itself here on the woman's side. You have the same in, same filters, same valve. Over here, you'll have your controls just like you had on the other side. Here's your aromatherapy again. Your pump, back in to the system. Up here in this box, this is going to control your lights on your sauna and the electric for this. You hit this button here, one time, it's going to activate the lights. Every time you hit this button, it's going to change the scenario. So you can have about 8 different light cycles. Each time you click it, it'll change the light cycle. So I got a sheet I'm going to leave on the wall for y'all. It'll show you the first time you click it, it's going to give you a slow wash, then a fast wash, slow random color, 10 to 15 seconds. High random color, same thing, but it lasts about 5 seconds. Crossfades the colors back and forth, or a fixed color. So by how many times you push that controls where it goes. Unfortunately, you have to look and see where you are, and then you can count after that. That'll be right here on the wall. Just as a reminder for how that works. Let's see, I covered everything in here. All right, this is the women's spa. As you walk in, you'll have an outside switch that's going to control the main lights. Once you walk into the spa, you notice the other lights that we talked about internally. This is the button, this is the fixed location. So every time you push that button now, it will change the cycle of these lights and go through the various light cycles we talked about earlier. All right, this is your main control for your steam generator within the steam room. This is a timer, power off and on, and a temperature control. It's set for 120 degrees. That's so internally, if this reaches 120 degrees in this room, it's going to kick off. All right. Behind you is when this is where the steam's actually going to enter the room. It'll come down, it'll divert in 2 directions, and fill this room with steam within a matter of 5 minutes. Steam's now activated. That's what it looks like when it's running. This is your Kohler digital interface control. This is going to activate your lights and your showers. For simple activation, go to shower, hit OK. It'll activate the 4 overhead. Back out of that through the back out button immediately above the OK. Cycle down to lights. Hit lights by hitting OK. Lights on by hitting OK. So activate your overhead light. This is going to give you a normal white light. Now, you could cycle this through many different options through here. Right now, we're going to go through presets that have already been determined by me. You're going to hit over here, you can see the 1, 2, 3. You hit that once, it's going to go to the first setting. First setting is going to change your lights. It's going to leave this activated, but now also activate the handheld. So you have a new set of lighting, a new faucet comes on. Hit it again, it'll go to 2. In 5 seconds, it'll change again. Now you still got the same, but you got a new set of lights coming up. That's storm clouds. Hit it 3 times. Wait 5 seconds. Now you have everything activated as far as all your water sources and your outlets. It's going to go to a thunderstorm up top. If you're patient enough, you'll actually see the lightning start flashing after a minute or so. Alright, so that takes care of your first 3 sets on this side. To the other side, directly across, you'll see the other little person. 4, 5, 6 are there. First time you hit it, 1 time, it'll go to 4 in 5 seconds. Gives you these 2 and a sunrise for your light cycle. Hit it twice to take you to 5. Now that's giving you just your handheld with another light cycle. Hit it 3 times, it'll take you to preset 6. This time it's just giving you just the body sprays and another light cycle. You can set this up to any way you would like it. You can change it anytime you want. What else y'all want to know? Temperature controls. Right here in the center dial. Anytime the shower's running, you can see where it says setting. Right now it's at 92, 90, 86, all the way down to 80 degrees. This is as far down as it'll go. Turn it the other way, you can see the temperature going up. Right now it'll go to 103, but you can change that. Anything else? All right, that's all of it.